let's install your Alpinestars Tech Air 5 vest into your Bison Thor.2 leathers. Now we want to start by talking about the differences between the Tech Air 5 and the Tech Air Race Vest. On the Tech Air 5, on the back, you'll see you have this large protrusion under the speed hump for the charges and accelerometer. The Tech Air has a full turtle shell back protector. At the top of the Tech Air Race, you're going to have 5 Velcro attachment points at the upper shoulders, and on the front torso you have 2 zippers. All of these things allow this vest to fully integrate with the Bison Thor.2 suit. On the Tech Air 5, you have no Velcro at the top of the shoulders. Again, you have this large protrusion underneath the speed hump, which can be a little bit intrusive, and on the front you have no zippers. At least nothing that attaches to the suit. You have one main zipper on the vest, that zips directly up, and then you have a Velcro zipper bridge, and that actually activates the Tech Air 5 vest. You'll see the LEDs light up here, as opposed to the Tech Air Race that has the LEDs on the arm. Everything's right here on the vest. Now to install the Tech Air 5, it's a lot like the Tech Air Race, only we're not attaching Velcro and zippers. You're just tucking the vest into the body of the suit. I like to start with one arm, get that into place, make sure nothing is twisted in that shoulder area, and then start tucking the lower torso into place. Again, don't want anything twisted, we want everything smoothed out as much as possible. This vest is going to float underneath the suit. Also, if the arms are twisted in the shoulder area, it's very difficult to get into the suit. So as long as everything's in place without any twisting or bunching, you will be able to pull this suit on just as you would with any other. Now we're going to start, of course, by putting the bottom half of the suit on. And what you're going to want to do here is grab the entire unit, the vest, the suit, everything, pull it up as one, and then slide your arm through the first armhole. Again, if the shoulder is not bunched, you can go ahead and put your whole arm in. It should slide right in. Get your second arm pulled around, and then slide the whole assembly up onto your back. Now again, that protrusion underneath the speed hump for the charges and accelerometer and such, you may feel that at first. You can take the speed hump out of your Bison suit and you can trim it down a little bit to go over that mechanism on the Tech Air 5, but in most cases you won't need to do that. Go ahead and zip the Tech Air vest first, attach it, make sure that it arms. Once all those LEDs illuminate and it stops its process, you can go ahead and zip the suit up and you are good to go. One thing to note here, if you are planning to use the Tech Air 5 vest on the racetrack, be it a track day or a race, make sure you have the race algorithm downloaded and installed on the vest. I want to show you why you can't wear the Tech Air 5 vest and pull the suit on over it. Now what I have here is I've obviously got the Tech Air 5 on. I'm going to put my arm into the first sleeve and really try as hard as I can to get this upper arm in without any bunching. Be very careful, take my time, wiggle in. Now I'm going to grab the second arm. I have to pull the collar and speed hump over the back protector of the Tech Air 5 and the charges. So I've got my first arm in, I'm sliding in, and you see the arm starts to bunch up, the collar gets caught up, and everything pulls up to the neck. No matter what you do, you're going to run into this position if you try to put a Tech Air 5 vest on and then put a one piece over it. It just doesn't work out. Now conversely, if you have a Bison Thor.2 jacket, you can put that on right over a Tech Air 5 vest. Go ahead and zip the Tech Air 5 first, attach the zipper bridge, make sure the vest activates. And then from that point, you're just going to put your jacket on as if it were any other back protector or chest protector you're wearing underneath. One thing to note, if you have a two-piece Bison suit, you can do this same method and just zip the 280-degree zipper at the waist once the jacket is on, or you can attach the two-piece suit together, lay the Tech Air 5 in, and get into it as you would with a one-piece suit. So there you have it, guys. A Tech Air 5 vest works with our Thor.2 one-piece suit, our Thor.2 jackets, and our Thor.2 two-piece suit. As always, if you have any questions during the install process, please reach out to us at info@bisontrack.com or call us at the phone number below. We are always happy to help, and we look forward to talking to you. Thank you for your business, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Go fast, be safe.